Greeting Austin, Dr. Leeman here, just coming at you with a little bit of an update. I also want to let you know that we're praying for you. We're praying that you'll be safe and that this COVID-19 pandemic, this historic event that's been unprecedented in my career, passes quickly. I just also want to let you know that my team is here. We're here to take care of your needs. If you have any concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and let us know. We are here to help you and improve your quality of life. This COVID-19 also became pretty real for me on a personal level as my older brother in New Jersey was recently diagnosed positive. He'll be coming out of his quarantine here in the next few days and doing much better. On the negative, my mom is starting to turn a little ill and will be under a house quarantine till the 20th. So it's unbelievable what's happening. In addition, I also want to kind of let everyone know that for April, our product of the month and what that is, and we're going to be doing and having available as our product of the month is our Zeo Exfoliating Polish. This is the most amazing polish that's out there. What this will really do is it'll help exfoliate your skin. You want to exfoliate your skin as part of a healthy taking care of your skin regimen. What it does, it gets rid of the dead cells. It thins out that dead cell layer, which is called the stratum corneum, and gets that cell turnover going and stimulates the healthy cells from underneath to come up. So how I use this product, I probably use this product on average 2 to 3 times a week. I'll have it in the corner of my shower. I'll just be in the shower and kind of have my face nice and moist. Get a little of this, rub it in my hands and just do little circle motions and just get it all over. It does have a little bit of a gritty texture to it. Not horrible, not uncomfortable at all. And then just rinse it off, and afterwards, oh my goodness, how amazingly smooth my skin feels, and how just a brighter sort of glow it has, and just really part of good skin health for everyone. So I highly recommend this product. Please check us out. Be safe. Be blessed, Austin. We're here for you. Bye.